If Instagram call notifications are not showing on your phone or you're not able to receive calls, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, then go to the menu in the top to access settings and activity. Here, scroll down and go into notifications. Then, check under calls that your video chat notifications are toggled on. Next, go to your phone setting. Then, scroll down and tap on notifications. After that, scroll again and search for Instagram from the list and tap on it. Then, check that the notifications are allowed with sound and banners enabled. Now, also check that your phone is not in Do Not Disturb or any focus mode because that can silence Instagram call alerts. Finally, if the issue still continues, try updating Instagram to the latest version or reinstalling the app completely. And that's all. This should fix Instagram call notifications not showing and help you receive calls again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.